Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the formula of de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving through a potential difference. So what we'll do is we'll find the lambda, which is the wavelength. Okay, through the equation of potential difference. So let's go. So we know that the kinetic energy, which is half mv square, is equal to the electron into potential stopping potential, which is v. Okay, so now what we'll do, just cross multiply 2 into ev, so we'll have this. Now multiply both sides with m, so here we'll get m square v square is equal to 2m ev. Now take a square root of mv, so we will have root 2 mev, and here we know that the E is equal to EV. So it's how I will explain you. So just you know that the E is nothing, just a Q, means it's a charge, and V is V, and energy is what? Energy is the work done. So from 10th you have already read in 10th grade that V is equal to W by Q. Okay, so this is exactly that formula. So we can change EV into E. So let's write this formula is also correct, but we'll simplify the formula. So 2m, so instead of EV we'll write energy E. So this is the mv, and we know that lambda is equal to h by mv from previous equation, and mv, will put the mv here, so we'll get this. Okay, now we know that the Planck constant is equal to h equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34, and mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and electron